Alright, this is how to get the more rare monsters, skill mastery, as well as the lucky coin. So why would you need the lucky coin and the more rare monsters mastery? Well, there's two types of rare enemies in Octopath Traveler 0, the Kates, as well as the Octopath enemies. And both the lucky coin and the more rare monsters mastery will increase your chances of encountering those enemies. So to get the more rare monsters mastery, you need to have the church first off, and you need to fully upgrade it. As you can tell, mine's already fully upgraded. Then you can open blue chest. You get the church through completing the restoration of Wishvale. So you automatically get this as long as you do the Wishvale quest. And then you just upgrade it using 6 Radiant Cornerstones. You need 2 for the first level and then 4 for the third level. Once you can open blue chests, you want to go out, you want to head to Snowshard Grotto. To get there, you're going to want to go to Valor. And go north. Oh wait, I want to go east, excuse me. Yep, this is where we need to be. West Timberglow Wilds. And then from here we can get to snow to the grotto. Enter the grotto. I believe the chest is in the top left corner. Yep, I think this is it here. It's hard to tell, but it's one of the chests here. I think it's this one here. And if you see here, I've already got it equipped. Increases chance of encountering rare monsters. It says the effect is not cumulative, but if you have the lucky coin, which we're about to get, it is cumulative with that. You can have both of them. You can have the accessory lucky coin equipped, as well as that. So how do you get the lucky coin? Well, first off, you need to recruit Tressa, which I did a guide on how to recruit her. So if you want to know how to recruit her, check my guide. There's a whole playlist for my Octopath Traveler 0 guides. Next, you need to find Tressa, which I have her here in the house large. I had to find where she was at. I didn't actually know where I put her. And then what you're going to have to do is inquire further with her, as you can tell here. And to do it the second tier, you need to have Tressasalad. And one of the ingredients you might be missing is onion. But I'll go ahead and show you it here in the thing. Right here it is. Flounder, you probably have a lot of. Onion, you probably have a lot of. Wheat, you probably have a lot of. Or potato, flounder, wheat, you probably have a lot of, but you may not have onion. That's the one I was missing. I've only recently got onions. I actually have them, as you can look here, I have them cultivating all onions because I didn't have any before. I'll show you how to get them. You have to go to this area here, Sufrataljah. You'll go here through this, eventually to the story, in the storyline. And you want to go to the church. And you can get onion seed from this guy. You can purchase it from him. Once you have the onion seed, you can plant the onions and eventually get onions, and then you can buy the Tressasalad and you can acquire further with her.
Tell me more.
And then we can do it again. Okay, this time we need a Kate Furball. Okay, so I have to figure out how to get that. I actually don't know how to get that. I need to look that up, how to get that. Okay, so in order to get the Kate Furball, you must come here to the Isle of Sages. I'll do another guide on how to get here. We'll be getting the Kate Furball here in a moment. After we get to this dialogue. I've yet to do the guide on how to get here. You have to find the letter fragments though, and then once you find them all, you get welcomed here. And you can do path actions with the Kates here or whatever. But if you come over here, you get the Kate Furball.
I'll take good care.
I'll do path actions of these later. I just want to get that for now, for this video. And then we'll go ahead and give it to Tressa.
Tell me more.
Alright, there we go. And we can purchase the lucky coin. Raise the chance of encountering rare monsters. There you go. And let's go ahead and buy this other stuff too.
This is nice.
So yeah, there you go. Wolf levels up as well for doing that. You get 2 Wolf ranks. But yeah, this is how to get the lucky coin and more rare monsters mastery and Octopath Traveler 0. This will be very helpful when you go to farm Kates. And I'll do a guide on how to farm Kates. It'll be a separate guide, of course, but stay tuned for that. And subscribe. I post JRPG content every day. Never miss a day of uploads. This whole year I haven't missed a single upload this whole year. And it's almost 2026. So if you respect that, make sure to subscribe and like the video as well. It helps the channel out a lot. Later.